use our leg to help assist. But to cue her to lope, I'll turn her head to the direction that we want, then I'll take my other leg back.
Right. I know that part.
The key to the Bosal is when the horse gives you its chin, you have to soften.
Yeah.
If you don't know how to soften with the Bosal, they'll just hang on it.
You don't want her hanging.
See how she dropped her butt?
Yeah.
And when we ask her to back, it's not enough that she just backs. She's got to soften in the face while she's backing and drop her head.
Oh.
She's not giving me any effort, so now I close my legs on her to make her butt work. And I'm not going to stop until she drops her head. She's got a bit of a temper. Stop really well. A horse that doesn't back softly will never stop.